Hola y bienvenidos a Módulo 12. So this is a really important module. It's our last big topic for the semester, which is formal commands. This is a topic where even if you've taken Spanish before, or even if you speak Spanish at home, you might not be super familiar with this topic. Again, formal commands are different than informal commands. So formal commands is like when you would tell a patient, come here, sit here. It's not the informal way that you might say like at home or that you might have learned in earlier Spanish classes. It's the formal way. It uses a different grammar. So really give yourself time and make sure you go through the learning materials for this. Again, even if you've taken Spanish before, even if you speak Spanish a little bit at home, make sure you go through the learning materials and really follow the formula for making these commands, because it is a very different formula than everything we've done so far. This topic also needs to be on the final project, so make sure that you understand it. Also, Google Translate will not give you formal commands. If you try to put them into Google Translate, it will give you the informal commands. So just a heads up, please follow the learning materials this week. It's really important. We also have our last discussion board. So under the readings, we have the explanation of the commands. We also have some articles about different pronouns in different countries, and a list of irregulars also. So make sure you open that list of irregulars, have that with you when you take the quiz, because there are some irregulars on that. And then again, we have the information about the final project. So now once you understand the formal commands, that needs to be on the final project. After you get through that and module 13, you could really start working on your script for the project. So for the assignments, like I said, we have our homework packet. We have our last discussion board. So make sure you get your initial post in by July 5th for that. The speaking assignment where you need to use those formal commands, and the quiz. Okay, let me know if you have any questions y nos vemos pronto.